Hi, I'm Marty from Semken Landscaping. We've been with Lilydale for 37 years and we love everything. We're friends as much as we are a client. We're a family business, they're a family business. It's a great way to deal with. It's the easiest phone call to make. It's a family business that loves helping. It's been great watching them grow. It's been great watching us grow along the way, and we've all grown together over that 37 years. So we've always bought from Lilydale, no other way. The service is the best part. It doesn't matter who I ring, the truck driver. We do a few really big jobs, a few precious jobs, and the service, the delivery. You're getting a text the day before, the truck driver's ringing, hey Marty, where do you want this put? Yeah, all that is part of it. And sometimes we make a measurement wrong by 2 meters and we ring and they work out how to get it to us. Give it a go, you'll find the service is impeccable, the grass is always good, and the backup service is impeccable. One-stop perfect shop.